case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Wisconsin Court of Appeals heard a fascinating case in 1993 titled Estate of Kobylski v. Hellstern that revolved around the concept of appreciating marital property value through the labor of a non-owning spouse. The case was instigated when Geza Hellstern, a non-owning spouse, utilized his time and effort to improve Genevieve's non-marital property, specifically by enlarging its garage. As his unpaid labor theoretically enhanced the residence's value, Geza claimed a marital interest in the property. This led to an examination of whether the so-called industry mixing claim was legitimate, especially given the gray area around which expenses were for property maintenance and which were for value-enhancing improvements. Additionally, another layer of complexity was added with the introduction of a Cadillac purchased through a joint account. While the vehicle was under both parties' names, Genevieve's estate claimed that her contributions to the purchase should be returned by Geza. The lower court had reclassified the non-marital property as a marital one due to the mingling of funds and the garbled trail they left. The court also dismissed the estate's claim that Geza should be liable for unpaid real estate taxes amounting to $1,250. The Cadillac issue was decided in favor of Geza, who wasn't held responsible for repayment because Genevieve never made the request during her lifetime, a condition of his promise to repay. Geza appealed against the reclassification of the property and his liability for the property taxes. The court, upon review, reversed the reclassification and remanded the decision for further examination of maintenance and improvement costs plus value enhancements. However, it agreed with the lower court's decision that Geza was not responsible for the automobile loan repayment. While Geza's regular chores, such as painting and yard work, did not create a claim in marital property, his efforts in enlarging the garage were seen as a substantial industry contribution. The court recommended that the probate court reconsider the garage improvement's effect on increasing the property's value. Thus, this intriguing case was a lesson in the complex intersections of property law, marital contributions, and conditional financial agreements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.